This video walks you through how to make a beauty and hair Shopify website. Start from your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left side menu, click Products, then click Add Product to create your first beauty or hair item. Enter the product title and description and make the description specific to what you are selling. Include details that matter for this type of catalog, such as product type, size, ingredients, hair type, texture, color, and directions for use when they apply. Next, upload clear product images. Show the product itself in the packaging and use different angles so customers can see what they are buying. After that, enter the product price and complete the inventory details so Shopify can track stock correctly. If the product comes in multiple choices, add options or variants. For beauty and hair products, that could include size, color, length, texture, or style. Once those fields are in place, complete the remaining product information and click Save. Repeat that same process for the rest of the beauty and hair products you plan to sell. When your product catalog is in place, go to Products, then Collections. Create the collections you want customers to browse, such as hair care, wigs and extensions, beauty products, skincare, or accessories. This gives the storefront a structure that matches how people shop. Next, go to Online Store, then Themes. Find the theme you want to use for your beauty and hair website and click Customize. Inside the theme editor, update your logo, colors, typography, header, and announcement bar so the storefront matches your brand. Keep those choices consistent across the site so the store feels unified. Then build out the homepage sections. Add featured collections, featured products, image banners, new arrivals, and brand information. After adding them, arrange the sections in the order you want visitors to see them. This controls the flow of the homepage from top to bottom. When the storefront layout looks the way you want, click Save. Now move to Online Store, then Navigation. Configure your menus so customers can browse your beauty and hair collections without confusion. Make sure the menu links point to the right collections and pages before you continue. After navigation, open Settings, then Payments, and set up the payment methods you want to accept. Then go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery, and configure your shipping rates and delivery options based on how you plan to fulfill orders. To finish, preview the website and check that products, variants, collections, navigation, and checkout all work correctly. Open a few product pages, test the collection links, and confirm that the buying path makes sense from the home page through checkout. Thanks for watching. Your beauty and hair Shopify website is now set up with products, collections, storefront customization, navigation, payments, shipping, and a working checkout flow.